Welcome back to Rev Up Results by Detailers Movement. In the last lesson, we crafted the perfect sales pitch, but even with a great pitch, you'll still hear objections. Here's the good news. Objections aren't rejections. They're just unanswered questions. And if you handle them the right way, they'll actually help you close the sale. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to confidently handle the 5 most common objections, use proven techniques to turn hesitation into a yes, close more deals without sounding pushy. So, let's get started. 1. The 5 most common objections. Almost every objection falls into one of these 5 categories. Let's break them down and tackle them head on. Objection 1. It's too expensive. Response, I get it. A ceramic coating is an investment, but let's compare it to the alternative, repainting your car or spending hours on maintenance every month. Strategy, use cost comparison, coating versus long-term expense. Objection 2, I need to think about it. Response, totally understandable. What's your biggest concern? Price, durability, or something else? Strategy, get them talking so you can address their hesitation. Objection 3, I'll check back later. Response, I totally respect that. Just so you know, we're almost booked out for the next 2 weeks. Would you like me to hold a slot for you? The strategy, create urgency and a reason to act now. Objection 4, does it really work? Response, that's a great question. Instead of telling you, let me show you. Here's a car we coated 2 years ago. Check out the difference. Strategy, use visuals, testimonials, and proof. Objection 5, I saw a cheaper option somewhere else. Response, that's true, but not all coatings are the same. The products we use offer X years of durability, superior protection, and a professional grade finish. Would you rather pay once for the best or twice for lower product quality? Strategy, differentiate on quality, durability, and expertise. 2. The 3-step objection handling formula. Here's a simple formula to handle any objection smoothly and professionally. Step 1, acknowledge. That's a great question. I totally understand where you're coming from. Step 2, clarify. Just so I can help you better. Are you concerned about price, quality, or something else? Step 3, provide value and close. Let me show you why this investment is worth it. Here's what our customers are saying after a year of having our ceramic coating installed on their vehicle. 3, closing the deal with confidence. Handling objections is great, but you also need to close the deal. Here are 3 techniques that work like a charm. The either-or close. Example, would you like to do the full ceramic package or just the exterior protection today? Why it works? It removes the yes-no decision and keeps the conversation moving. The limited availability close. Example, we have only 2 slots this week. Want me to hold one for you? Why it works? People hate missing out on opportunities. The try before you buy close. Example, let me coat half your hood with a sample product so you can see the difference in real time. Why it works? Simple. Seeing is believing. To wrap it up, if you want to close more deals, remember, objections are opportunities, not rejections. Use the 3-step formula to acknowledge, clarify, and provide value. Close with confidence using simple proven techniques. Now, let's put this into action. Drop close in the comments and I'll send you my sales objection handling guide with exact scripts to use in your business. In the next lesson, we'll take things even further, following up effectively without being too pushy. Looking forward to seeing you there.